Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today's a very exciting video because this is something that I just bought very recently. It just came in the mail, so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys today. Super excited. I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag probably later on once I kind of decide what I want to put it in and everything, and you know, de-stash my makeup bag a little bit. This is the type of bag that's like, it's not going to be like my Louis Vuitton Speedy or my Louis Vuitton Luminous. It's something that I can't just fill with stuff. It's going to just hold my essential stuff, and that's pretty much it. I'm sure you guys already saw from the title, it's the Balenciaga Mini City. So I've just had an obsession with mini bags as of recently. You guys probably already seen my what's in my mini Phillip Lim Pashley video. This is going to be a sort of chatty unboxing video. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I upload 3 times a week. So let's go ahead and get started. I got this from a consignment shop on eBay, and they are based in Vancouver. So this bag is what I got with my tax return this year. I'm not even ashamed to say that. This is how I basically budget my designer goods. So I purchase them maybe once or twice a year. I use a small portion of what I get from my tax return and buy a luxury item. So this year it had to be another Balenciaga. Yeah, I bought a Balenciaga last year. I bought a Balenciaga Town, fell in love with it, and just, you know what, decided that I would get this bag. I was gonna go with either the Gucci Soho Disco, purchase it brand new, or the YSL envelope clutch, but I was browsing and I have always wanted a bag this color. It's my favorite color. My walls are this color. So I just decided that I would get this one. I had to get this particular bag consigned, so this is what came in the box. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Oh yeah, girl, it's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Ah. So it's this bag right here. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So this is what my Balenciaga Mini City looks like. I know everyone always goes for the black or the neutral colors, but you know what? I just wanted a pop of color. I've always wanted a bag in this particular color. So I honestly was going to buy a Louis Vuitton Alma BB in this color. I was watching it on eBay and somebody else beat me to it, so I ended up finding this one, but I just typed in Balenciaga Mini City basically, and a bunch of them came up, but this was the only one in this color, so I just had to go ahead and grab it. So this is the top part. It comes with these little rabbit ear flaps, and open it up. So inside we just have a bunch of stuffing, and I'm probably going to be storing this bag with stuffing inside it just because I don't want it to lose its shape or anything. Balenciaga has like this very like soft leather. This is a distressed lambskin agnew leather. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. This is a distressed type of leather. It's already like really soft and buttery, and that's what I really like about Balenciagas. The leather is just amazing. It comes with this really ginormous, really long shoulder strap, and that's what like the side looks like. So it's in this beautiful shiny gold hardware. Love that. And it is the big hardware. I forget what it's called. Giant hardware. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, it has the giant hardware on the front. And so the giant hardware bags don't come with those really long obnoxious tassels that hang from Balenciaga bags. They don't come with that. My other bag came with that, my Town. There's just like tassels everywhere. Not that I like don't like that, but they get kind of in the way a little bit. This one of course comes with a mirror. That was kind of difficult to get out of there because the front pocket is really tiny, but that is the mirror that it comes with. All Balenciagas come with a mirror. And then the inside is just this black like cotton type material. I don't really know what this is called, but all Balenciagas have this type of material on the inside. The little, what is this called? Like it has the serial number and like where it's made in Italy on it. That tag that's in all bags. and then it just has this little compartment in the back, like zip compartment, and that's it. It's just a bottomless, like open bag. That's it right there. She is gorgeous, and I'm so excited. This color just screams spring to me. It does have a little tiny bit of wear on it. Just on the bottom corners, it has a little bit of like rub marks, but you know what? I'm not super picky when it comes to that kind of thing, because even if I did buy one brand new, same thing would happen. So yeah, I'm very, very, very excited about this bag. You guys have no idea. All Balenciaga just smells so good. It just smells like leather. So that is my new bag, and I'm really, really excited. Oh my gosh. The reason why I had to get this bag from a consignment store was because I wanted that particular color, and they haven't sold that color since 2013. This bag is from 2013, so it's in like really, really, really great condition. It's probably like a 9 out of 10. It has that scruffing on the side, but that's like minor detail. This bag was from spring summer 2013. According to the date code, the inside code on it has a J, so that stands for 2013. The reason why I had to get a consign is because they no longer make that color, and the only options that I really had if I wanted to buy it brand new this year was to get a black one, which was kind of on the table. I was kind of like, yeah, I kind of like the black too, but I did want something with a pop of color. Most of my bags are actually not black. I don't really have a go-to black bag, which is really what I'm missing from my collection. But bags are like really my pop of color, bags and my shoes or something like that, because I wear mostly black. The colors that were released this year, like I said, were black, and then they had this really bright yellow, and yellow's not really my color. So that is the reason why I had to get that one from a consignment shop. The one reason why I really like shopping from consignment shops is you can find stuff like this that is like seasonal, that has been discontinued, and you can find really pretty colors. Right now they have another one from the same consignment shop. She has like a lighter purple, I forget what it's called. It's kind of like a magenta-y kind of purple, and it's also a mini city, so that one is really cute as well. This bag honestly is my favorite out of all the Balenciaga styles. I really do like the city. The town has been discontinued now, but I just really wanted this bag in this particular color, and I'm so happy that I was able to find it, and I got such a great deal on it. It was about 900 Canadian. I think this bag currently retails for around 2 grand. So yes, you can get a really good deal when it comes to consignment shops and stuff like that. Just be wary, make sure you know your date codes, make sure you do your research. I do know that this bag was only released in 2013 in the spring and summer months, so just make sure you do your research when it comes to date codes and stuff like that, because it can really help you when it comes to, you know, identifying if a bag is legit or not. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Sorry for the, you know, this huge, I just wanted to come on here and do this unboxing for you guys before I did a what's in my bag video, because I wanted to show you guys my excitement when it came to opening it, and I just love watching bag unboxing videos. So my next bag is going to definitely be a black one. I'm probably going to be getting the Gucci Soho Disco bag at some point this year, but I just had to treat myself to this one for the spring especially. And if only the weather would cooperate. I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but it's legit like snowing right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on IG. My link will be at the end of the video. Bye everyone.